In this tutorial, we will show you how to test the authenticity of your data and what you can do to prevent its authenticity from being violated. What exactly do we mean by authenticity? Authenticity means that data originates from an authorized source and has not been tampered with by any third party. In our case, this relates to files that have been migrated and archived. Select the storage vault you want to check and open the data browser. Next, select either a folder or individual file that you want to check. Right-click on it and select Data Authentication. Now you need to specify whether you want to check the data in both tiers of the storage manager, the capacity or archive tier, as well as the versions of the file. Click Start Job to close the window. The test will generate a checksum for the file in the archive and/or capacity tier, which it will compare with the sums saved in the database. If these sums do not match, you have a read error, or the file has been manipulated. However, once the test is complete, a log file should open where you can view any errors that have been found. In order to prevent all of this, the best strategy is to integrate multiple devices into the capacity or archive tier, so that another copy is available in case data on one device is manipulated. To see how this works, view the Archive Device Migration tutorial, which is being shown for you now. With this tutorial, you can now verify the authenticity of data stored in the PoINT Storage Manager, and you know how to prevent data from being manipulated.